2011 Aveo. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, FWD, front-wheel independent suspension, anti-roll bars, body color bumpers, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, power steering, cloth seat trim, driver vanity mirror, dual front airbags, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, CD player, front bucket seats. The Chevy Aveo includes a low price, swift handling, abundant headroom, and logical control layout. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.